All right. I have to show this to everybody and let them hear it. This is Sammy's favorite thing. This is a bone. As you can see, I have tile floors. Have you ever heard a bone drop from 2 feet onto a tile floor and wonder what it sounds like? Well, here it is. That's what it sounds like. He has other bones. This is another bone that he's chewed almost to extinction. This is what this sounds like. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Well, that's what I hear all the time I'm home. I love that baby. There he is. And he's chewing it. Okay, well, I just wanted you to know those sounds. Thank you. See you soon. Bye, Sammy.